Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bungee cord options available on the market right now, the 30-pack ball bungee cord by Aegero. Whether you're a seasoned camper, DIY enthusiast, or just someone looking for reliable tie-downs, these bungee cords have a lot to offer. Let's get into it. First off, these bungee cords are not your average tie-downs. They come in a pack of 30, each featuring a 6-inch heavy-duty bungee ball. The nylon ball itself is durable and measures 1 inch in diameter, providing a solid grip and stretch. The design is simple yet effective. They're incredibly easy to use. Just hook the ball and loop through your tarp, canopy, or tent fixture, and you're set. No knots needed, which makes setup and takedown a breeze. Now, what sets these apart is their construction. Each cord is made from high-quality latex, ensuring superior elasticity and strength. They're built to last, capable of enduring various weather conditions without fraying or breaking. Versatility is key with these bungees. Whether you're securing camping gear, holding down patio furniture, or organizing your garage, these cords adapt to any task. Plus, they're reusable, so you can rely on them time and time again. One standout feature is how they help extend the life of your tarps and canopies. By allowing some movement, they reduce stress on materials, preventing tears and extending their lifespan, a practical and cost-effective benefit. From a user perspective, these bungees have garnered praise for their ease of use and durability. Customers appreciate the value they offer, especially considering the competitive pricing for a pack of 30. Keep in mind, while they're fantastic for most uses, if you're dealing with heavy-duty applications requiring extreme tension, you might want to consider larger sizes or additional support. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for reliable bungee cords that deliver on durability, ease of use, and versatility, look no further than the Aegero 30-pack ball bungee cord. They're practical, they're dependable, and they're ready to tackle any task you throw their way. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy camping and stay tuned for more great gear insights.